Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and pairing. This matters because spatial audio uses device sensors and system audio processing. Put your AirPods in, open Settings Bluetooth, tap the device, and pair. Once paired, go to Settings Music and make sure spatial audio is available. Enable it. Also check Control Center. Long press the volume tile to reveal spatial audio toggle. Do this now so the core audio pipeline is ready before you adjust tracking and formats. Next, you configure and calibrate to make spatial audio meaningful. In Settings Music or the volume control, switch spatial audio on and choose head tracked for dynamic perspective or fixed if you prefer a stable mix. This affects immersion. Play Dolby Atmos or spatial tracks from supported apps to evaluate. Then go to Settings Accessibility AirPods to run head tracking calibration if available. This aligns sensors to your ears, so directional cues stay accurate when you move. To finish, confirm the source is outputting spatial content and that app-level settings aren't overriding system audio. Many streaming apps have an option for Atmos or spatial sound. Make sure Bluetooth is stable. Restart your iPhone or Mac and repair the AirPods if tracking lags or audio seems off. If problems continue, reset the AirPods by holding the case button until the light flashes amber then white. Repair and repeat calibration. One tip: test with another device to isolate whether the issue is the source or the headphones.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.